Oh, that must be Camille.
She picks you up?
Well, what can I say? It's a new world, Judith.
You are so good for my ego. Hi, Charlie.
Hi, Camille.
Hello, I'm Judith. You're Alan's ex? Wow, I didn't expect you to be so young looking. Thank you. I mean, you have such beautiful skin for the mother of an 11-year-old. Oh, thank you.
Okay, well, we should get going.
It was nice meeting you. Uh-huh. I just hope I look half as good as her when I'm that old.
I'm betting you will.